Okay, so I am going to talk to you about strings right now. Strings are quite easy to understand. They are just words. And in Java, they are not primitive types. We were talking about primitive types earlier. A string is actually an object, but we're going to get into what objects are much later on in the tutorial series. For now, all you really need to know is that if you want to write a word in the program, you can use a string. So to make a string, you just need to use the string as a type. You need to give it a variable name. We'll call this Godzilla. And we will say equals. And using the double quotation marks, we'll write a word. So let's just say hello, like this. So the string Godzilla equals hello. Now, if I print this out with system.out.print line like this, I can then say Godzilla like this. And if I press play, it's going to print the string hello. Awesome. So now we have words that we can use. So strings being objects, which don't worry about too much right now, they basically have a bit of extra functionality. There's things you can do to strings to get information about them or to modify them. And to get access to this, all you need to do is type the name of a string variable like this, and then press dot. And when you press dot, in Eclipse at least, it's going to give you a bunch of different methods that you can use on the string. And these are just kind of little functions that are going to do things for you. For now, we're not going to go over most of these. If you're curious, just look through them, but we are going to use length. So if we go here, Godzilla, and we say dot length, open and close basic brackets, it's going to return the length of the string for us. And if I do it here, it's not going to show, but if I do it inside the print brackets, I'm going to say Godzilla.length like this. And when I press play, we're going to see 5. Yeah, there are 5 characters in the string hello. Another useful thing about strings, and the last thing I'm going to tell you in this tutorial, is concatenation. And a string concatenation just means putting strings together. So let's have a look. Let's make another string, and let's call this test this time. And we're going to say this string equals Godzilla, which will make it equal hello. But we can use the plus sign, and we can put more strings in there. Let's say everyone, like this. And what this is going to do is make test a single string out of the strings we put on the right-hand side. So if I just take the print statement like this, and I put it down here, I can say print test, and we're going to get the output hello everyone, as you can see right here. So that's all you need to know about strings really. When you're concatenating, don't worry, you can concatenate as much as you want. This is awesome, like so. You could add a bunch of different things and it would be totally fine. If you want to write words though, from now on, this is how you're going to do it, and Java makes it really easy.
That's all for now, guys. If you want to see more student-made content or more tutorials, make sure to check out the TVM YouTube channel. I will see you next time.